puppies are now 4.5 weeks old. And they play a lot. And they eat a lot. And they poop and pee a lot. Mom doesn't hardly want to go in there with them anymore. I don't blame her. My husband said she looked like a parent that's been up all night. And she does. Oh! Let's see if I can tell which ones these guys are. That's Gracie. She was first born. I think she's looking for a spot to go potty. And that one is Faith, second born. A little bit shorter body. And back there is Hope. She still doesn't like being picked at. She's like, no, no, I want to play. Put me down. I got things to do, people to see, and like you're holding me back. Cuddle the other two, and they are cuddlers. Oh yeah, now we're starting the paper phase where we grab the paper and rip it up and roll it on us and it's not good paper unless you kill it. And that is Faith. Whoop! They just had their last supper of the evening and got to be in with their mom for a little bit, as long as she would stay in with them. And that one over there in the corner, Hope, she's trying to eat the rug, kill the rug. And here's my Maxter. Hi, Mackie Poo Poo. He my dog. Oh yes, he's such a pretty boy. I haven't had time to spend with him a whole lot this week, and been moving all my stuff down for my business, and it's finally all here, so this whole week now I get to spend time with the babies. Oh. About time for them to go to bed, so I took most of their toys out. Whoop, gotta take a pee-pee. Puppies! Puppies! What you doing, puppies? What you doing? Huh? What you doing, puppies? Oh, you're so cute. Puppy, 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 puppies. Puppy, 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 puppies. They come good. They're already doing recalls. Woohoo! Uh-oh. We're going to have them barking here in a minute. Bree's like, don't pay attention to those stupid little bats. Those are bratty little kids. Pay attention to me. I'm good. And you are, Bree. Bree's a good girl. Yeah. Still don't have that paper dead yet? You're so cute. You're so cute, Faith. You're just a doll girl. You're so cute. Faithy. Faith. Puppy, 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 puppy. Puppy, 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 puppy. Oh, here comes everybody now. Yep. Those two look so much alike, it's so hard to tell them apart. Oh, really? Yeah. Yeah. It's hard to tell you other two apart. Faith is easy. She's got a smaller blaze, shorter in the body. Oh, one of them was howling yesterday. It was so cute. Okay, it's enough of the puppy fix tonight. Night night, puppies. Night night, puppies. Grab the tail, kill it. I think they're going to keep on going all night. Okay, we're done.